Hi, my name is Radion. I'm from Perfect Kitchens and Joinery. Super good. Happy. With our job. We're so proud with the result, and the clients are absolutely happy with the job. Hi, my name is Radion. I'm from Perfect Kitchens and Joinery. I'd like to discuss our freshly finished project and just want to explain you what issues we had and what result we've achieved. Just a prehistory about this project. We work closer with clients, husband and wife, to come up with a perfect kitchen. The house is fairly big. The biggest issue we faced is that the kitchen space is actually fairly small. We couldn't remove certain walls or change the interior, so we had to work with what we had. The biggest thing over here is to make it all fit in one design style for the whole house, as we've done vanities, ensuite, wardrobes, laundry, and of course kitchen, where we faced some issues and how we solved it. Let's go and check the details. The biggest issue what we faced, the space, as I mentioned previously. To achieve more storage space, we had to work. That's the biggest kitchen spot basically for storage we have, because clients, they want to have some appliance storages like a coffee stationery, plates, cups, and also it has to be functional and modern look. To achieve that, we've done nice vertical doors with equal look panels and made them bifold doors. Rather than having hinge door, they use less space. And inside we have a nice modern look stone as well, so it doesn't stain, and timber look panels inside. They can keep it open all day and it still looks nice and modern. We've added light underneath, so the light doesn't cast the shadow, the main light. There's plenty storage inside for the drawers. They can store spices, they can store jars with tea, coffee, and whatever they want basically. Yeah, so we achieved nice and big space pantry, which added lots of storage in the smaller space kitchen. If your pantry is a little bit messy and suddenly somebody came to visit you, you can just do this and it all will be hidden. Let's check what we've got on island. When you're designing a kitchen, we always think like we use it ourselves. When you have sink, usually what you do, rubbish bin on one side, like a storage for the cleaning products, cutlery and the dishwasher. So either way, if you're right-hander or left-hander, like our clients are right-handers, so it's always good to have plates here, so where you can open the rubbish bin and put the scrap food inside, like basically throw it away. We also done a separate storage for the rubbish bin bags, and as you can see, this is fully concealed rubbish bin cabinet, so the smell doesn't travel in to other cabinets through. This is a really nice, good size rubbish bin. Next, what we've got, we have a nice big sink bowl, so without any partitions, which allows you to wash bigger pots, frying pans, and bigger dishes. This particular sink bowl has a removable drainer tray. You also can have accessories such as a colander, chopping board, and so on. As you can see, this is tap with extension, so basically water can travel in any corner of the sink bowl. It also comes with a waste disposal. Personally, we prefer to design all the cabinetry under the bench top, only pull-out drawers. Nowadays, lots of people have issues with the bags, and it's very hard to reach far back at the cabinet. So that's why we do U-shaped cutout drawers. We try to use as much space as we can and make it easy accessible. All the pipes in the center, including the waste disposal, and we make a drawer wrap around that pipes. And basically, yeah, and easy to access. You don't have to reach behind the pipes, which is very handy. Same drawer at the bottom. Easy access. You don't have to climb under the inside of the cabinet and try to reach hardly accessible stuff. Next one, we would have cutlery drawers and other drawers for cups or some small plates. And the next one is the dishwasher. So once you finish washing, you can always easy to unload cutleries, easy to store plates straight from the dishwasher to the cabinetry next to it. We also add up lights here, so if main light not gonna be on, you can always have nice moody sort of environment, and if you want to eat something at night, you don't have to turn on the main light. Also, our clients are fairly tall people, whereas average kitchen height would be about up to here, but they wanted us to make the bench top a bit higher, which is doesn't affect their back. They can cut straight and it's very comfortable for them. This way you want to build your custom kitchen, and we're here to help you. Let's see what we've done here. On the cooktop side, which is next most usable area, we've done some storage for the big pots, plates, and yeah, so it's easy access. You don't have to walk far away. You have utensil drawer here, easy accessible while you're cooking. Also, you have oven tower cabinet next to it. All the appliances are from the same brand, AEG. They are modern, functional, and very reliable appliances. The oven next to the cooktop, and also combi oven, which can be used also as a microwave. Above the appliance tower, we also have storage to store trays and chopping boards, specially requested from client, because it's not very comfortable to store it horizontally. So what we've designed, we've used a vertical partitions, so the client can easily separate them from each other and easy access them anytime they need them. Also, we have some drawers for smaller appliances, which is as well easy access, and that's why all these areas specifically designed to work and communicate with each other. On this kitchen also we use some tricks, like a designer tricks, to make it look more spacious. We used most of the main color white, and also we tried to put as many vertical lines as possible rather than horizontal to make it look taller. As you can see, like the lines all line up and it makes it look much bigger. We advised clients to use subway tiles look instead of horizontally, to put them more vertically, which add up height to the kitchen as well. So as you can see, all the lines, they're all lining up, and most of this kitchen vertical. Also, we added vertical elements to this design on the back of the island. Let's have a look. We used modern vertical island feature buttons with the combining two types of LED, warm white and cold white. So we achieved a floating look. Also, we've made 60mm thick engineered stone benchtop. Look at this, isn't it perfect? Check this LED, by the way. We used low profile flexi LED lights, which is without any aluminum channels. It's just a nice slim fit, recessed flush with a stone benchtop. Also, as was mentioned before, we tried to use every space we could in these kitchens. Usual problem in the kitchens, there is always a void in this space. So what we've done, we've done a cabinets which you can use as appliance storage or your liquor bar storage, and We use the heavy-duty runners, which holds 65 kg per drawer. So yeah, you can store really heavy appliances over there. And once you close it, it still looks like a part of solid island panel. We're so proud with the result, and the clients are absolutely happy with the job.